Hello everyone, I hope you have a great and amazing day. Today we will have a topic on basic HTML. So in this lesson we are going to start the basic coding of HTML. The start, the beginning. So what is HTML? HTML is hypertext markup language. So this is a language which can be used to create and build web pages. Describe the structure of a web page using tags and elements. So it's like a language which the computer understands and creates web pages. And this language is in this language there is tags and elements, the use of tags and elements which describes the structure of a web page. So then what are elements? Elements tell the browser how you have to display the content or where you have to display it. Then what is an element? Elements are represented by tags. Then what is a tag? A tag is a command that defines different parts of a document. Tags mark the beginning and the end of an element. So a tag is a command that defines different parts of documents. So in a document there are many different informations, various different informations. So a tag will contrast between them and keep the each information on the proper place. It will arrange them, organize them. Then tags will also mark the beginning and the end of an element. Wherever a tag starts, it always gonna end somewhere. What is a web browser? A web browser is a software application that can be used to access information on the World Wide Web. A web browser can also be used to display web pages. Now many of you have been seeing Mozilla Firefox, Chrome, Microsoft Internet Explorer, etc. There are many of them. These are software applications. We can use them to access and view data we want. So videos, images, text, etc. These are all content which we can view by the help of software applications. And because of this software application, we can also see web pages. Basic structure of an HTML document. So how an HTML document will start. How to create your own web page. So all HTML documents must start with a document type declaration. Doc type HTML. It's not necessary, but if you write it, it's okay. If you don't write it, it doesn't matter if you write this. But this is the important part. HTML. HTML tag indicates that this web page is written in HTML format. So this is written in HTML format. If there was not HTML, something else like C++, JavaScript and anything else, that would be a different thing. But it says which language it's written in. This is HTML, hypertext markup language. Then after the HTML comes the head. So when we write the head, after the head is like a sector in which title comes. So inside head comes the title. So in the title, you want to keep the title of your web page. So we can keep it as my fruits, my toys, anything you want. So you're gonna write title in tags, and you're gonna then write your title, what you want to keep it as, and then you're gonna write the same thing again, but in these things, and then you're gonna write /title. You're gonna end. Then, of course, once your title is done from start to end, you ended your title. Now you're going to end your head. Done. So this whole part here is called as the web page title. This tag contains the web page title. Then body. Body is the content of the web page, where all the data is included, where you can see images, videos, etc. that all. And then once you're done with your body, you're going to end the whole thing. HTML marks the end of the web page. You're done with everything. Now you're just going to end it. HTML editor. So web pages can be created and modified by using professional HTML editors. Editors are softwares that let you create and edit web pages. So these are softwares that can help you create your own web page or edit them. Editors, so example of editors: Microsoft Expression Web 4, Adobe Dreamweaver. These are some advanced professional editors, but simple editors like Notepad for Windows or TextEdit for Mac can be also used for creating web page, but they're simple. Task 1, we have a question here. So we're going to write an HTML code in our notebook to display my first web page as the title of the web page and hello world in the web page. I'm going to show you how we're going to do this here. So I'm using the simple Notepad for Windows to create my web page. So I'm going to write HTML, as I said. This will mark the start of my HTML. It shows which language am I using. I'm using HTML language. After that, I'm going to write head. I have started my head. Now after the head, I'm going to write my title. So the title was my first web page. That's my title. I'm going to write it, just a minute, not necessary, but write as, I'm going to end it /title. Just check everything is spelling correct. Title, my first web page, title. Okay, so now we are done with our title. So we are done with the head part. So now we're going to end the head part. So after the title, we're going to end our head here. Now the part of the title is done here. So after the head comes our body, where the data is included. I'm going to write here body here. Now in my body, they told me to write hello world. So I'm going to write hello world here. And now I'm done with my hello world. I'm going to end it. I'm going to end the body tag here. I have ended my body tag. I have started the body tag and I have ended the body tag because this is what I wanted to write in my body tag. Done with that. Now I'm going to end everything. Mark the end of my web page, HTML. So once I'm done what I needed, I'm just going to end it. Now how do you view this on Chrome or in a web browser? So how am I going to see this on Chrome or Microsoft Internet Explorer? How? I'm going to click on File and I'm going to click on Save As. Okay, once I do that, I have to choose a location to where I save it. Now I'm going to cut everything from here and click on All Files. Now I write the name what I want to keep. So I'm going to keep it as my video here, and I'm going to, after my video, I'm going to write .html. It's always necessary. I'm going to write .html, meaning that .html is how I'm going to view it. Once I do that, I click on Save. Now I go to my desktop and I can see here my video. See, once I click on it, it's going to show me. Here's the title, my first web page. That's the title. And here is hello world. I hope you understood this one. Let's go back. Now, this was the answer. This was the code. My first web page, body, hello world, / okay. Now, so these are the steps which I just explained. I'll just show you how you're gonna, by reading, maybe some of you did not understand. So step 1, open Notepad in PC. I'm going to explain for Windows right now. Open the start screen, the window symbol at the bottom left on your screen. Type Notepad. Okay. Now write the HTML code for task 1, or the HTML code you want to write. Now you have to save that HTML page as .html. So this is a mistake here, HTML. So this is the name, index. It's not necessary that you always save it as index. It's up to you. Okay, now if you want to view the HTML page, open the file you saved and then double click on the browser. So you're going to see the browser sign there as it's on my desktop. Once you do that, you click on it and you can see your web page. We have another task here. Task 2, write an HTML code in your notebook to create a simple web page display. My profile in the title web page, your name, age, grade, and section in the web page. So we're going to do this also. So I'm going to just do it over here. My title will be my profile, and in the body I'm gonna write age as 13, and I'm gonna write as grade as anything, it's up to you, 7, or section BS. Okay, BS1. Now done with this, just click on save here. Now we go to our desktop and it's there, my video here, age as 13. See the title change. I just click on save, so it's on my video here. So age as 13, grade as 7, and section as BS. Okay, here now it's quiz time, so we're gonna be doing a short quiz. HTML code involves using dash to create web pages. So the HTML code uses dash to create web pages. Does it use quotes? Does it use tags, labels, or tabs? So they use tags. So every HTML code uses tags. This simple to easy use program allows you to enter, edit, save, and print text. Is text editor, search engine, web browser, or domain name? Text editor, because text editors allow you to create your own web page, edit them, view them. What is an HTML element? Is it the content between the tags, the ending tag, the starting tag, or everything from start to end? It's everything. HTML, when you start an HTML, you end it. So everything between that. Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, Microsoft Edge are all examples of what? Text editors, search engines, web browsers, or websites. Web browsers, they're software applications. What is the purpose of this tag? /head, to stop the program, to link another web page, to end the head part of the file, or to start. So it's the end because it's /head. So whenever slash comes, it's the ending. You should save HTML files in which file extension? .html, .index, .htm, .webpage, or HTML. So when you write the name, when you're saving your file, you write the name and then .html. Website content. What is website content? Is it the text, images, and other elements included in the web page? Is it true or false? Of course, that's what I said. Images, videos, and all. That's all content. HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language, Hypertext Markup Lexicon, High-Tech Modern Language, or High-Tech Machine Language. It's Hypertext Markup Language. HTML tags are always surrounded by, is it this, 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 or this? It's this. Everything visible on a web page goes between these two tags, /header, title, /title, body, /body. It's this one. Because everything visible, the content that comes in body. So that's it for today. This was the basic of HTML. So in future we are going to be uploading more on HTML. And we're going to soon master it. That's it. So if you have a query, please comment down. Please subscribe. I hope you understood something. Bye bye.